Today we're turning simple cod fillets into something spectacular, a creamy lemon dream on a plate. First thing we're going to do is create the breading for our cod fillets. So I have breadcrumbs, paprika, I'm using smoked because that's what I have. I've got parsley, dried parsley, garlic powder, flour, and salt and pepper. Okay, we're going to mix this up. So I have my 2 cod fillets in this dish, which I am drying with paper towels. They look like this. And we're going to put them in the breading. Okay. Put that on my plate. All right. In our pan, we're going to put oil and butter. All right, we're going to let these cook. We want them to reach 145. All right, we're going to flip it over.
Oh,
starting to look good. All right, now we're taking the fillets out. Let them rest. And we're going to create our sauce. So we're adding butter again. And I have garlic. All right, I can smell it. It's getting fragrant. Adding whipping cream. We have lemon zest. Lemon juice. Oh, I have salt and pepper. Let me do that now. And fresh parsley. And let them finish cooking in the sauce. Your hair looks nice.
Oh, thank you.
Now we're going to try our cod and our creamy lemon sauce.
Yum.
Looks beautiful.
It sure does. This is a gorgeous piece of fish.
Now it's so big we're going to share one piece. And we have it over rice, and we have some carrots on the side.
Really delicate. Perfect. Really light.
It is.
You can taste the lemon or lemon zest or
right,
both.
Both. Yeah, both
it's
are
really
in
nice.
there.
Oh, and you put it on some jasmine rice here.
Yep.
That's nice too.
Very good.
Oh, that sauce is good. That really makes it.
It does. Might need to double that sauce actually.
Yeah, you're probably gonna need more for the second piece.
Right.
I like the breading and the seasoning on it, real nice and delicious. And that sauce is just the extra punch to take it over the top.
Yeah, because cod doesn't have a lot of taste to it. It's kind of bland. So I think it needs stuff to kind of amp it up a little bit.
Delicious.
Very good. I liked it a lot.
This is a quick
finish
one.
This. Yeah,
How quick?
Oh, less than 30 minutes for
Nice.
sure. Yep. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with another great recipe and 2 videos a week. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Thanks for making this, Roberta.